start interest drawing video number 4. In the previous video, I have taught you the concept of fundamental of partnership along with the partnership capital account. Today we will see how to calculate interest on drawing. The first one is when partners withdraw during the year. When partners withdraw during the year, suppose the formula will be total drawing into rate into 6 by 12. Whenever the partners withdraw during the year, we take 6 by 12. The time period to be 6 by 12. Let's take one example. A withdraws rupees 1000 during the year 2018-19 at the rate of 10% interest. Now how to calculate this? Now during the year means we will withdraw 1000 during the year. Total drawing will be 1000. Rate is 10% into time period will be 6 by 12. Whenever the partners withdraw during the year, we will take time period to be half yearly, that is 6 by 12. So what will be the drawing? 0 0 cancel. 6 2 is 12. 2 5 is 10. So rupees 50. So this will be the interest on drawing when partners withdraw during the year. Now we will see when partners withdraw at the beginning of each month during the year. Whenever the partners withdraw at the beginning of each month during the year, how we will calculate the interest on drawing? So let us see. Whenever the partners will draw at the beginning of each month, the formula will be the time period will be 6.5 by 12. So A withdraw is 1000 at the beginning of each month, interest at the rate of 10%. So how will calculate? So total drawing will be 1000 into 12. Why? Because partner withdraws every month at the beginning of every month. So in 1 year there are 12 months. So 1000 into 12 into rate is 10 by 100 into 6.5 by 12. So 12,000 into 10 by 100 into 6.5 by 12. 0 0 0 cancel. So by multiplying you will get 10 100 650. So interest on drawing will be 650 when partners withdraw at the beginning of each month during the year. Now let us see the third case when partners withdraw at the middle of each month. When partners withdraw at the middle of each month, we will take the time period to be 6 by 12. So everything will be same, only here time period will be 6 by 12. The middle of each month. So it will be 12,000 into 10 by 100 into 6 by 12. 1000. 0 0 cancelled. So it will be 600. So this will be the interest drawing when partners withdraw at the middle of each month during the year. So next one is when partners withdraw at the end of each year. When partners withdraw at the end of each year, the formula will be same as it is, only the time period will change. We'll take it 5.5 by 12. So it will be end. So it will be total drawing into rate into 5.5 by 12 as mentioned here. So total drawing will be 1000 into 12 into rate is 10 by 100 into 5.5 by 12. So 12,000 into 10 by 100 into 5.5 by 12. 12 1000. 0 0 0 0 cancel. It will be 550. Now we'll move on to the next case, that is quarter and partners withdraw at the end of each quarter and beginning of each quarter. Now we'll see when partners withdraw at the beginning of each quarter and at the end of each quarter. The first one is at the beginning of each quarter. Now suppose let's take one question for case number 5. A withdraws rupees suppose 1000 at the beginning of each quarter at the rate of 10% interest. So now how will calculate? The formula will be same total drawing into rate. Now one thing will be changed at time period. It will be 7.5 by 12. Whenever the partners withdraw at the beginning of this quarter, the period will be 7.5 by 12. So how will you calculate? So total drawing will be 1000 into 4. Why? In 1 year there will be 4 quarters. So into 4 into rate 10 by 100 into 7.5 by 12. Now calculate it. 4000 into 10 by 100 into 7.5 by 12. Now 0 0 cancel. By multiplying this you will get rupees 250. So this way the interest is calculated when partners withdraw at the beginning of each quarter. Now we'll see when partners withdraw at the end of each quarter. When the partners withdraw at the end of each quarter, the rate will be 10% only. Now time period will be 4.5 by 12. Whenever the partners withdraw at the end of each quarter, we'll use 4.5 by 12. And at the beginning of each quarter, 7.5 by 12. And here 4.5 by 12. So let us calculate 4.5 by 12. 4000 into 10 by 100 into 4.5 by 12. To calculate, you get rupees 150. So this way the interest on drawing on partners is calculated. Hope you like my video. Stay home, stay safe.